Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you block someone in Bereal app. So at first, make sure that you already have an account in Bereal app, and if you have an account, just go to the Bereal app. Now into the Bereal app, click on the top left these two human icon here. After clicking it, here you can see you can just block someone by searching in your contacts, or you can just search for friends or anyone in the top search bar. Like there are a lot of Alex here, just selecting one by clicking it and click on the top right three dot icon here. Now just click the second option here, block this post. Now just click on confirm, the red one. By this person is blocked from my Bereal app. So guys, that's how you can block from Bereal app. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.